Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Ravenna Blue, and across the front of the vehicle the van features a body colour coordinated front bumper complete with a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided with the vehicle. Towards the rear of the Kombi we can find a tailgate with a heated rear window. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. As well as this, there's also a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the Kombi, there's an excellent amount of storage space here, as well as 4 lashing points in the rear area. The floor is covered in a rubber lining, and access into the rear passenger area can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. In the back we'll find a 3-seater bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. The seats feature some ISOFIX points, as well as being finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery. Up in the driver's cab we'll have a twin armrest seat for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench, bringing a total of 6 seats in the vehicle. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, which allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as use the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The van comes with climatic air conditioning as well as 2 front heated seats, and dotted throughout the cab there is a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.